How's everyone doing? We are here on Monday, November 21st. It's cold in my office. No change there. We have a holiday week ahead of us. It's Thanksgiving here in the US. And for other notables, I realize not everywhere is the US. Other notables, we've got nothing today. Tomorrow. Why all this Fed speak? It's crazy. So we've got 3 guys from the Fed speaking tomorrow. This guy is online event. Chile. I don't. Heavy European news on Wednesday. A little bit of U.S. news. Thursday, U.S. bank holiday. Surprised the Fed aren't televising their Thanksgiving so we can watch stuff bounce around during Thanksgiving. So my strategy this week is definitely going to be risk way less. I am super happy with making way less in the name of risking way less. So to review it again, here's the strategy. We draw a box around the last 1 hour of the London session. When London and New York, the last hour of the overlap. London closes in 4 minutes, and then we start looking. Honestly, I'm already looking. But we start looking for a trade. Now, this range here is unbelievably tiny. Like, from 33685 to 33612, so 70 points during the first 2 full hours of the equities. That's just absolutely wild. I do not have, let's look, let's just step out for a minute. So our day is already bearish. 4 hour, really big doji. Really big wick, whatever you want to call it. And whenever we have big wicks at the beginning here, we tend to follow through on that at some point in the day. So I guess I like sells, although there's just so much traffic around here. I got no idea. What I really like is not losing money. So that's what we're going to aim for today, is not to lose money. So I'm saving up to buy a car with this account right here. I started it at in October, about a month ago. So my profits are 2 on a deposit of about 43. So I'm right at 50%. Feel pretty solid on that. Looks like we are currently headed down. Let's give us some room. we are going to be extremely aggressive on cutting this position. Reminder that I'm only allowed 0.10 increments on Dominion markets, and so I can cut this once in half and that's it. All right, London has closed. Let's see where we get. Maybe we'll get absolutely nowhere. If you guys look and see, really the top of the range is like right here. So that's a total of 20. Gosh, there's just no room. All right, we're in a small buy. I'm using a little bit less than half of what I would be using on a normal day, but there's just no room for this to go anywhere. This is just a dumb trade. At this point, I'm just gonna let it go for a minute. We come below here, we're gonna hop out. Still not convinced this is not a buy. Mostly because I think it's probably going to continue to range. And so it's not a buy or a sell, most likely. It's just range bound. All right, so what do we do? I want to get in a hedge. So currently floating at about 1%. I'm going to sit here for another minute. based on all these wicks at the bottom of this range, that's exactly what I'm expecting. Any close outside of there, though, would definitely be an exit. Price is coming back up. How far are we going to be content to let this go? If we start to break back above, we'll pull our stops in pretty quick. Maybe also take some off the table at about 10-15 points. All right, we're back at our entry. Let's call anything comes back below this previous candle an exit signal. Just like that. I hate coming in my office when it's cold. Colder in here than it is outside. I think the market itself was only down like 70 points right now for the day. And so really, really easy for it to take that back. Price just has very, very little conviction. The size of these candles here are like the candles that you see after equities have closed in the afternoon. Would have been a good play buying off that wick, but who knows what price is going to do. All right, I closed half. Price has already come back up. Now we're all the way out. Price already went back up above our entry. declined to make any progress. And so we're going to show a loss of $25 on the day. So what is that, like 0.25%? Which I'm all right with. That's basically probably going to be all for this week. I won't be in tomorrow. I'm going camping for Thanksgiving. So that'll be my only trade for this week, and I will see you guys next week. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.